Good evening, babukeli xhosa TV predictors. We'll be quick with 5 or 6 odds. We'll be predicting teams for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're in England where Fulham is playing against Leeds. Just play 2 handicaps or to Fulham. Give Fulham 2 handicaps, 2 goals of handicaps. Second one is in Spain. Osasuna versus Real Betis. Just give 2 goals to Real Betis. The third one is in Italy. Sportativa Salernitana versus Sassuolo. Just give 2 handicaps to Sassuolo. In Germany, Mainz versus Bayern Munich. Just give the over 1.5. Just give goals over 1.5. So another one is Hoffen versus Cologne. Just give over 1.5. Bochum versus Wolfsburg. Just give over 1.5. Hertha Berlin versus Werder Bremen. Just give over 1.5. In England, Brentford versus Aston Villa. Just give over 1.5. Leicester City versus Wolverhampton. Just give over 1.5. Crystal Palace versus Everton. Over 1.5. Liverpool versus Nottingham Forest. Just give over 1.5. Almeria versus Athletic Bilbao. Over 1.5. Lille versus Ashore, over 1.5. Lazio versus Torino, over 1.5. Besiktas versus Amnerispo, just give over 1.5. Borussia Dortmund versus Eintracht Frankfurt, just give over 1.5. Real Sociedad versus Real Vallecano, just give over 1.5. Thanks for watching. Thanks for today. Just don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.